Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and as it's back to school season for many university students, I thought I'd make a video to share some useful resources that you might not know exist for free if you're a student. So before we start, I actually want to clarify that free doesn't mean free forever. For most of the tools here, it is free for 1 to 6 months or maximum for the entire 4 years of your university life. And that still sounds pretty decent, am I right? So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So first up, we have Canva. So Canva is actually an online tool that allows you to make beautiful designs of posters, banners, your Instagram posts, and even EDMs. And actually, pretty much all of my YouTube thumbnails are made using Canva. Canva is actually founded by an Australian lady called Melanie Perkins, and she actually founded this company when she was a university student because she was working part-time teaching students how to actually use a designing software. And this software is so complicated and so difficult to use. And she actually thought, hey, why not I just create a tool that allows people to design anything and publish anywhere. And that is actually the mission of Canva. And after endless of pitches with VCs and investors, Melanie eventually became the youngest female CEO of a unicorn tech startup. Okay, that's all for the mini fun fact and background info of how Canva started. And now let's dive into how Canva actually works. So as you can see, Canva actually has a beautiful user interface, and it's very easy for anyone to actually just start creating a design. Oh, and did you know you can also make slides using Canva as well? There are tons of design and templates that you can choose from, and you don't have to worry about picking a slide theme, choosing the right fonts and colors, and so on. Everything that you need is all here. Just type in the kind of projects that you're working on, and Canva will actually suggest some templates for you. Next, moving on to the world of UX, UI, and product design, another tool that is free for students is called Figma. Figma is a tool for UX and product designers to design and prototype products before passing it on to developers. And Figma is actually ranked number 1 as the best high-fidelity tool for website design. Another similar tool is called MockPlus, which also allows you to do wireframing, app design, and mockups. And of course, these two tools allows you to build your own prototype while collaborating with others and working on it together. And next, moving on to coding, of course, we have GitHub. So GitHub is a place for people to share coding projects, and people can actually collaborate and work together to contribute to the source code. GitHub is a very useful tool if you're a software developer or if you want to work in the DevOps team, and you can actually also post your own portfolio of work on the GitHub itself. They also have a very strong community forum whereby you can ask questions, and you can think of it like a Reddit for developers. Next, we have Datacamp, which is an online platform for you to learn data science at your own pace. They have many coding languages available for you to learn, such as Python, R, and SQL. And also, you can learn data visualization using Power BI and Tableau, machine learning, and also Excel. And the best part is, you don't need to download any additional software because you can go through the courses right on their website. I've actually used Datacamp to learn Intro to R for one of my research methods course in university. I remember it was quite a fun learning experience because you can also get to track your progress, and it makes learning coding less intimidating. So I would say that Datacamp is a very useful tool if you're working on a project that requires you to learn how to code, know how to do data visualization, or even if you want to learn how to do cool stuff with Excel. There's a crash course for all of these and many other topics right in Datacamp. Last but not least is related to company research and news. If you're a university student, your school would probably give you access to Bloomberg News, Financial Times, New York Times, and also publications and scientific journals, which you can probably find in your school's library portal. Last but not least, for finance research, there are a couple of specific tools such as Capital IQ or Cap IQ, Morningstar, and also the Bloomberg Terminal if your school actually subscribes to it. And you can really make full use of them when you're doing your projects and assignments. That's all for this video, and if you're interested in more UniLife related videos, you can check out my other videos over here or here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!